Well, I'm going to tie these two videos together. I just wanted to show you my system from a distance. I'm using two monitors. I've got a Dell desktop. I also have a Dell laptop, and also, well, actually, I got an Asus laptop also. But I'm running the beta version of Ubuntu 2004, and it's not due out for a few more days yet, but I've been doing some beta testing on it. I just wanted to start this video out by showing you my system, and then I will go in and explain an aspect of the desktop flavor that I use, which is Gnome, and what I like about it. Okay, here's what I like about it, is I like the fact that I can use extensions, and what you're looking at right now is the extension website and the tweet extensions where I can change them around. And if you look at it here, you'll see all my extensions that I have. And I have quite a few. Now, I have a couple that broke when I installed 2004. But here's the website. And it's extensions.gnome.org. Very simple website. It has all the extensions on. All you have to do is click on what you want to install. Like, for example, Dash to Docs. That's broken in my system, so I'm going to uninstall it. So if you notice, it comes up, tells me it had an error, and I'm going to take and remove it just by clicking on that X, and that'll take it off. Okay. Basically, it uninstalled it. It's gone from my system. And it was broken, so, I needed to remove it. Okay, let's take a look at some other extensions here. I'm just going to pick one here from random here. Let's take caffeine. I like coffee. So we'll just install this one here. Okay, all I have to do is read about it and see what it says, and then just turn it on, and it will install it. When I turn it on, it'll give me the option to install it. I'll install it, and that's it. It's installed. Now let's just close this off for a minute here. We'll go to the extensions and see if we can find it. I may need to restart my extensions here before it'll appear, because that was already on the screen. So running Twitch. Let's see, applications, extensions, there it is. There's caffeine right there. And I can turn it off and on here too. The switch is available. But let's go back to the website. And I'm going to turn it off here. But that does not remove it. It just turns it off. So if I exit out of here, go back to the main page, and you'll notice that it's still in there. So what we have to do is see, it's still in there, but it's turned off. That's all I did, is turned it off. Okay, let's go back to that website. And you notice that it's still off in here, so let's go back to the page we were just on, and let's go down and find caffeine again. This time it'll allow us to take it off, so we just click the X like we did before. Now it's gone. So if let's just minimize this here. All these icons up here is what's all the extensions that I have installed. So let's just take a look and see what caffeine go on. Okay. Yeah, now this one here is OBS. I'm doing a recording right now, so you're going to have this icon up here. But there's also other icons up here that I use. Let's see here. Okay, I got a weather app I run, so it tells me the weather. And I have one that tells me all the processes and stuff that's running on my PC, the system resources. I also have, this is a camera. This takes a quick capture of my screen, saves it. That's boxes. I just did a video on boxes. And I can record desktops here. This is my emojis for emotions. And just got all kinds of icons. I can use them in my post on Facebook and Twitter and other accounts that I have. So it's kind of a nice little add-on. And that's what I like about using Gnome. I like it as a desktop, and I like running it in Ubuntu. I've always liked Ubuntu. But Gnome, you can run it in other distros as well as that. Some of the things that you're looking at now that I'm doing is just applications that I have. I have a terminal and so forth on my computer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, it was just a kind of a informational video. It was not really showing you much as far as what to do, but it does tell you about extensions in Gnome and what they can do. And it's simple. You just do it through a website. You can do it through Firefox, or you can do it through the Google Chrome, which I'm using right now to do this. But anyway, this was kind of a quick look. I know there's a lot of videos out there on using or beta testing the new version of Ubuntu that's coming out, which is 2004, and it'll be out in a couple days. But I've been doing beta testing, so I hope you enjoyed this video.